This is the 2021 Mini Cooper convertible. And it might quite possibly be the most interesting, quirky car on the island of Ios. We're gonna take it out, give it a spin around the island, and give it a Doug score. What's up, fatties? We're coming to you from Santorini. Just got here today, very tired, about to go eat some nice dinner. Here they have pretty good Greek food around here. And not much will be filmed tonight, maybe a sunset, but other than that, welcome to Greece.
First, all right? Okay. For today we have extra appetizer, fresh red tuna tartare.
Okay, great.
Okay, thank you.
Oxtail donuts. They don't serve that at Shipley's.
Oh, look, honey. It's shredded meat.
We should start making that at home.
Breaded and fried.
Tuna tartare. That is definitely not cooked.
Okay.
Good morning, fatties. All right, we are taking the 8 a.m. ferry here at the ferry terminal here in Santorini, and yeah, we just had some coffee at this really nice place, and we're waiting. We got here, they said get here an hour early, but and we did, and probably don't need to get here until like 10 minutes.
Starts with a K. Taste it. It's better than Miniman.
What?
Sorry.
I'm not gonna let you in Turkey again.
Oh my god, that's so good.
I want to show my.
Look at the sausage. And the feta.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
It's a lot of honey.
Local honey, and mucilix.
That is so good.
This is the island of Ios. We are in our hotel, Hotel Liostasi. And man, it is nice. If you come to Ios, you should definitely stay here in Liostasi because the view is amazing. We had a private balcony here, and we're about to see the sunset. Maybe I could do a little time lapse of that. I mean, this is just beautiful. Oh This is so nice. So apparently this hotel was built 27 years ago, but it looks very well taken care of. The lady told us that it looks new because every year they do Botox. That's funny. Alright, this is room 21. Private pool. Ballers. Let's go up to the pool area. I think I might get myself a cerveza. Or wait, birra. Birra, just like in Turkey. See, they have a lot in common, Turks and Greeks. They just don't realize it. One day they will realize it and they will take over the world. Church is up there. You can go up there and watch the sunset. Okay, we're gonna drink the Aza beer. Aza lager. Tastes like Mythos. It's hard to pour well with one hand, but here we go. Aza lager. Tastes like Heineken. Tastes a lot like Heineken. Well, maybe a little better Heineken. Yamas.
Like 10 minutes walk from Chora. Downhill though. It's really cool. Sainis is up there. The whole thing started with the hippies. Nowadays, half of them might be naked, half of them don't.
Oh, so this is the nude beach.
Yeah, and that building over there used to be a bar. The guy who owned it, I heard the story that he didn't serve any guests people. You have to be naked when you get served.
At least get a free drink.
Yeah, if you want a drink, you have to go naked. Yeah.
Not the best weather, but it's not the worst.
But I've been in worse places in worse weather.
And the sun's coming out. Sun's out.
Guns out.
Guns out. Time to get brave and go in the cold water. Some friends showed up. Oh, it's colder than yesterday. Once you get in, it's okay. You can't get hypothermia. People that freeze to death right before they die feel a sense of euphoria. That's a big nautilus. Santorini. See you later.
Bringing understanding of the coral world and the full dimension of its spectacle.
This is really cool. The guy called this the swimming pool. And it really is kind of a swimming pool. A cold swimming pool.
Our first dive in a world so physically striking overwhelms our senses. We are no more explorers, but children in a store filled with surprises.
That was awesome.
Oh my god. I feel like a new person.
I think he's leaving us. This is nice. It's being in an office. It's leaving us. He's a master of that boat. He's a master of his craft.
Really good at it. Wow, this is so gorgeous.
Walking to dinner. Where's our dinner place?
It's in the Chora,
It's the Chora.
or the Chora, whatever they call it.
Chora, the town. It's just too nice being here. Wish I had like talent and I could be a writer or an artist. You could just stay here and just paint or write and be like drunk all the time like Hemingway. Yeah, but that didn't work out good for him. Never mind. You know what they're saying in Greek? They're saying, how's your mom and dems? You're hungry?
Yeah, I mean, we haven't eaten.
You eat a lot.
Huh?
You eat a lot.
I got that little sandwich.
Check that dude out. The dude is legit. There we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yamas. I'm excited. Taramo salata. Fish caviar. It's good?
Oh yeah, it's good.
Look how much that is. That's like 8,000 calories right there. But that's okay. Not on vacation. That's the eggplant. Okay, we got the lamb and we just dug in. So good.
Really good.
12-hour roasted lamb. The sea bream. The chupra.
Oh, that's the garlic you smelled. Smell it.
Oh, that's good. Oh, you fogged up my camera. Mmm. That's delicious.
Mmm.
That's good.
Mmm, you gotta put it with the sauce, babe. It's a friend, honey. No.
Apparently he's bringing me some shots to fill up these guys. It's the best meal we've had in Greece yet. Sainis restaurant in Ios. I highly recommend it. Do it. Oh, Chora just almost fell. Rocky with what?
Honey and cinnamon.
Oh,
Different ears, honey and cinnamon.
perfect.
We just gotta have as much as we want.
Sounds that way. Let's start drinking the whole bottle. All right, you want Rocky first. You gotta have Rocky first. Oh,
I don't like Rocky.
you like it.
It's too strong.
You love it. You ain't drinking shots. Get the hell out the club. All right, here we go. You first.
Oh, I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
I'm so full. You already made me drink all of this.
What would John Stamos do? WWJSD. What would John Stamos do? Yeah, you can. We love it.
I'm not doing that. You do it. I'll have this one. I want to try this one.
Alright. What would John Stamos do? He'd drink this?
You're going to snore with your helmet
And
on.
then he would say, have mercy.
Look, they make this at Sainis. I'm going to have to peel you off.
Wait, no. I want to taste the other stuff.
Well, this is a sipping drink.
Oh, that's for ladies. Oh, it's good. What's up, fatties? Another day in Eos with my beautiful wife. Check her out with her Target Amazon ensemble. Very nice. We're at the top of this mountain here on the northeast side of Eos Island, and we're about to visit Homer's tomb. Not Homer Simpson, Homer the author. Here we are. Lots of rock stacking going on.
Don't ruin it with all these stupid.
Yes, I think the rock stacking is dumb. Don't do it. So it's just an ancient tomb that's obviously fallen into disrepair. So he's actually buried here? Supposedly. It's a tomb, it's a tomb. I think the view's even better. Wow. You're testing out all the quirks and features. Alright, we're walking through the old town, the Chora, the we still don't know how to pronounce it. And this is obviously the party area, but party season is over. You gotta go up the yellow stairs from the pharmacy and look for Andy. See? It's Andy. Successfully take me to the makeout point.
Oh, it feels amazing. People go to the bathroom around here.
Good question. That is Phat in Eos. How's that?
It's amazing.